Hey guys, so I decided to give my new Hathaspace essential oil aroma diffuser a nice review. I've been using it for about a week. I'm really happy with it. Love the color, love the design. I love the fact that it has different timer modes, so if I want I can have it on for 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or I can just leave it on continuous, which will just typically go on for 16 hours. I usually use it when I go to sleep. It's very, very quiet. You can't even hear it. Right now I have that lights off, which I prefer, but they also have the opportunity to put the lights on. If you press the light button once, it sort of goes in a rainbow. It sort of moves in a rainbow, so it changes colors from purple to blue to green to yellow. And it also, if you want to keep one color you like, you can just press light again and then switch through colors. See, this purple looks really nice. It's also got the dim and the bright version of each. See, that's a nice one. As you can see, it produces a nice amount of mist, which is awesome. I'm just very, very happy with it. It's really well made, and I'm very, very proud to show people when they come over. And thank you, Hathaspace. You're awesome.